Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's the classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level student. So today we have to discuss the equations of motion, IGCSE topic. Even though see some of the schools actually they neglect it, or in some of the countries this topic actually they neglect it, but we have to take it. Why? Because many questions are short, very small questions are coming up. So if you know the very well how to derive what are the yes means, u means, a means and t means, all right. So all these letter meaning, how to derive the equations and so on, then it's a very easy to solve any equation. Okay, so the motion topic is there. You have a distance, displacement, then velocity, speed concepts are there, acceleration, deceleration, these concepts are there. And if you have gone through it very well, then this topic is easy to understand. So before we jump on to this topical discussion, okay, the our website is actually ready, so you can explore this website for the alternative to your book, existing books. So no need of books hence onward. Why? Because you have, if you go here, you have a many subject resources are there. So in the math you have all topical questions, notes are there, fine. Then nextly you have this is physics, all the topics and notes are there. So even I will show you the motion part as well. Motion part, the distance, displacement concept, I have categorically included all the notes. Okay, so no need to go anywhere to see what's this and that, fine. Everything needed for IGCSE exams, GCSE exams, all right. So here even graphs are there, even here equations of motion that we have to discuss. Then examples, lot of examples I have extracted from the past year paper included here, so no need to go. So in the traditional books actually, if suppose once examples put into it, they actually hardly change for next 10 year. But in this case we are actually built the website for modern updated syllabus for GCSE, GCSE exams. Okay, so it's just a price is $20. It will be access for 2 years. So 2 year is enough to prepare whole lot of syllabus or content. I have a even plan for you actually. So whatever the content taught in the school, actually come back home and then just to go here, explore all the topics, all right. Then you have a MCQs are there, MCQs, enjoy the MCQs actually. So even here I have explained even simple theory parts as well. Then you have a past year paper, similar to the past year paper questions are here, graph based, okay, practical based questions are there. And moreover, if you see here question answer solution, if you click here solution, more detailed solutions are given, why it is called this and that and so on and so forth. So this website is purely for IGCSE, GCSE students, fine. Then we'll come back to the discussion point, the equations of motion. First here is, so it is also called a SUVAT, fine. What's a yes? Yes means it's a displacement. So displacement unit is meter, fine. U is initial velocity. Initial velocity, starting velocity, its starting velocity might be in rest, fine, or it is moving with a certain speed as well. Okay, rest means initial velocity is 0. Then V is final velocity, meter per second again. Then acceleration has a unit, meter per second square. So acceleration, suppose it's in positive means accelerating, and acceleration is negative, it's a decelerating, all right, keep in mind. So if what's the meaning of, let's say, negative symbol is there, so it's a basically deceleration. Then last one is time, t in second, all right. Then we'll start with the basic acceleration equation. A is equal to v minus u upon t. This is first equation. But this first equation, we have to make the v subject. So to transfer t to the left, at is equal to v minus u, and v is equal to u plus at. This is first equation. Okay, so suppose here in this case, if you analyze these 5 letters, okay, and this one, which one is not there? Yes is not there, right? Whenever you don't have a yes, means the displacement is not there, you can use straight away this equation. Okay, then nextly, average speed is equal to v plus u over t. Fine. What's a speed? Speed is equal to s over t, which is v plus u over t. Fine. And if you just rearrange this whole equation, s is equal to v plus u upon, here average speed is basically v plus u upon 2. Fine. Then s upon t is equal to v plus u upon 2. Now transfer s is equal to u plus v upon 2 times t. That's it. Alright, this is second equation. Then nextly, from the first and second equation, we have to rearrange and figure it out the displacement. So here we have from equation 1 and 2. So s is equal to u plus v times t over 2. Now we have v is equal to, here this one, v is equal to u plus at. Substitute here. It's a u plus at upon 2 times t. Fine. So it's a 2u plus at square, 2ut plus at square divided by 2. Now divide this 2 to each and every term. So ut plus half at square. This is the third equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now in this equation, actually if you compare with these letters, what's not there? It's a final velocity. V is not there, isn't it? So v is not there means whenever we don't have the final velocity and they are asking us to calculate the displacement, we can use it, isn't it? Then next one, square equation 1 to figure it out. Equation 4, square equation 1. So we have a v is equal to u plus at, yeah, bracket square. Fine. Now you have to expand this one, u square plus 2 uat plus a square t square, isn't it? Now from this one, okay, we can take out 2a common. All right, so u square plus 2a, what you left in the bracket, it's a first part ut. So we don't have a here 2, means we can take 1/2 a t square. Now if you compare this one, ut plus half at square, this is nothing but yes, right? So substitute here yes, it's a u square plus 2a, yes, done. This is v square, yeah, and this one is fourth equation. So you must know these 4 equations. All right, so here we will just go through 1 or 2 examples as well. Now these equations, even I have all these equations I have included in the websites as well. Okay, so that means you can go through it. Now this is 2025, means this year question paper, MCQ paper. Okay, if you just look at here question number 9, it says that stone is dropped from the bridge which is 22 meter above the river. Fine. So this is, let's say, bridge. Fine. And the 22 meter here above the river, right? So then what is the speed of the stone when it hits the water? So they are asking us to calculate the final velocity. So s is equal to h is equal to 22 meter. Then here, are they talking about anything about the initial speed? No. So initial velocity is 0. Then final velocity they are asking us to calculate, isn't it? And here one more thing, whenever we have the height or it is moving with certain speed, then we have to replace a with g, which is 9.81 meter per second square. Fine. In this, all these questions, okay, so we have here a, we can replace with g. Here also we can replace with g, gravitational acceleration. Fine. Then yeah, then if you analyze this four thing, the t is not given, right? So we can use the v square is equal to u square plus 2a. Yes, fine. So we have to calculate the final velocity. U is 0 plus 2 times 9.81 times 22 and take the square root of it. It's a 431.2 and it's around 21 meter per second is the final velocity. I hope you got it. Okay, you understood this theory part completely. Yeah, so here in the website also I have, means in the notes itself, all these things are given. Okay, so you have a, this is v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Even I have included graphs here so that you will get the these theory part completely. Fine, understand it very well manner. And then here you have a many questions are there. The questions are key to get the, or get the basic understanding about these ideas. Okay, so for IGCSE papers, around 60-70% of the paper depend upon the numerical questions, practical application based questions. So to tackle those kind of questions, you need to have a basic understanding about the how to solve the questions, and all those things are included in our website. All right, so here you have a many topic contents are there. Okay, and the each and every the IGCSE physics maths, it's for $20. Fine, so better get the access and start your learning process if you are planning for next year, next to next year. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you are enjoying physics maths. Thank you. That's it.